Hello everyone. We're going to be working through uh, question 7 and then 8, 9, 10. Question 7 will take the longest. But in all of these here, what we do is we basically arrange numbers vertically and take out any decimal points. So 5.6 becomes 56 times 4. Arrange the numbers vertically, take out any decimal points, and we put them back in at the end. Alright, here we go. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 5, 20, plus 2 is 22. One decimal place between the two of these, so answer has one decimal place. Okay, B. We take the decimal point out and arrange vertically, work on it. We go 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And again, just one decimal place, so the answer has one decimal place. C. 285 times 6. No decimal place, taken out, arrange vertically. Okay, 6 times 5, 30. 6 8 is 48, plus 3 is 51. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 5 is 17. And we have dealing with one decimal place. There's our answer. Okay. D. 32.4, so we just take out the decimal point and arrange vertically. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 3 is 19. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25. And yet again, no decimal places, one decimal place. Answer, one decimal place. E. Okay, 28.4, so we just do that without the decimal point. Times 0.3 becomes just 3. Okay, very good. 3 4 is 12. 3 8 is 24, 1 is 25. 3 2 is 6 and 2 is 8. And then one decimal place here and one here. Answer has two decimal places. There it goes. F. Okay. 37.65 becomes 3765. 0.5 becomes just 5. Okay. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 2 is 32. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 3 is 38. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18. And we're dealing with two decimal places there and 1 there. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1, 2, 3. There it is. G. Okay. 18.4 becomes 184 times 0.02, just 2. And we go 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. And we need to put in 1, 2, 3 decimal place. 1, 2, 3, there it is. Okay. H. 12.46 times. Oh, sorry, forgot. Pardon me, my bad. There we go. We're taking the decimal point out. Yep. Okay, just try that again. 12.46. No decimal point. And that's just 7. Okay. 7 sixes, 42. 7 fours, 28 plus 4 is 32. 7 twos are 14 plus 3 is 17. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8. And we need 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal point. There it is. I. Moving on up. Okay, 1202 and times 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 8. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Decimal places of 1 there and 1 there is 2. J. Okay, 0.48. That becomes just 48. And 0.02 becomes just 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 4 is 8, 1 is 9. And we need 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. Okay, tricky. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we need to add these zeros. Give us the 4 decimal places. Okay, K. We have 2031 times 5. Good, 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 good. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. 5 0 plus 1 is 1. 5 twos are 10. And we need 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places. There it is. KL. 12803 times 4. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 0, 0, plus 1 is 1. 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Very nice. And 1, 2, plus another 1 is 3 decimal places. Very good. Okay. Next. Question 8. Alright. 128 times 13 is 1664. Evaluate each product and check your answer by estimating. Okay, well what we've got to dealing with in this is the fact that every single time they're using the same numbers. 128 times 13. Every time there's a 128 and there's a 13. So we're going to use this for our answer. Just a question of where do you put the decimal point. Okay, this one has 2 decimal places and this one doesn't have any, so the answer has 2 decimal places. And if we look at this, 1 and a little bit more times 13, the answer will be a bit more than 13, which is, there we go, works out. B, we have 12, so same 4 numbers. Then we've got 1 decimal place and another 2. That makes 3 decimal places. And we have a look at the numbers used. That's a small part of 12. Yeah, that's gonna make one make sense. Yep. C. 1664. How many decimal places? 1 there and 2 there. That's 3. That's the same as part B. 1 and a bit times 1 and a bit is 1 and a bit. D. 1664. And we get 3 plus 1 is 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. And does that make sense with that? A small, very small number times a 1 and a bit is just a little bit more, that's a little bit more than that, which makes sense. Very good. Okay. Ruby worked in a flower shop and earned $21.80 per hour. How much will she earn? In 6 hours. That's $21.80 times 6. Let's do it the standard way by taking out the decimal point and see what we come up with. 6 times nothing is nothing. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 1 is 13. And we have 2 decimal places there and none there, so 2. $130.80. And 10, the last one. Okay, vegetable garden was that long and that wide. Estimate the area of this garden before calculating. Well, if it was 8.6, that's nearly 1. So area is that length times that length. So it's going to be a little bit less than 8.6. Because that's close to 1. 8.6 times 1 is 8.6. So it's a little bit less than 8.6. Okay, let's do it. Take out the decimal point. Times 9. 9 sixes are 54. 9 eights are 72 plus 5 is 77. And we've got 1, 2 decimal places. 7.74, which is a little bit less than 8. And I believe that's it. Thank you very much, everyone.